It means that ruler protects dharma and the dharma protects those who protect it. Means to say, if the king protecting the dharma, then the dharma will protect the king. Now, very crucial part of this is dharma. What is dharma? Dharma is the righteousness. यहाँ पे धर्म का मतलब कोई एक रिलीजन से नहीं है, नॉट इस्लाम और हिंदुइज्म और समथिंग. हियर द धर्म इज बेसिकली स्टैंड्स फॉर, द धर्म इज सिंबल ऑफ righteousness, justice. There is a king. Now you know that his people, his population, he is ruling over the population. He rules over the population. Why? Because population follows what king says. Population follows what king says. But why population follows? Because population knows that he will protect them and he will do justice. He will protect them and he will do justice. But suppose in due course there is a transformation in the king, or I mean the king becomes corrupt. King becomes corrupt. अगर king corrupt हो जाता है, then king starts supporting those who are richer in the society. तो जब भी king के सामने, राजा के सामने दो लोग आते हैं न्याय के लिए, जिनमें से एक गरीब है और एक अमीर, ठीक है, तो गरीब गलत नहीं है, फिर भी राजा उसके साथ अन्याय कर देता है, बिकॉज ही इज करप्ट एंड दैट्स व्हाई ही इज सपोर्टिंग ओनली richer in the society. Majority of the people are mostly either middle class or they are poor. So the common people, that is middle class and poors, right, mostly. So these common people will turn into rebellions, है ना, ये विद्रोह कर देंगे, बगावत कर देंगे. And it had happened in the past many a times that there had been a revolution from the, especially in the European history, that there had been a revolution, और उस revolution की वजह से जो है क्या हुआ है कि king का पूरा तख्ता पलट हो गया. तख्ता पलट means to say king was removed from his throne, right?